Expect the best and prepare for the worst. We maintain and hold that Muslim and Hindus are the two major nations by any definition or test of a nation. Islam expects every Muslim to do this duty, and if we realize our responsibility, time will come and we shall justify ourselves worthy of glorious past. No nation can rise the height of the glory unless your women are side by side with you. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Without education, it is complete darkness, and with education, it's light. Education is matter of life. Failure is a word unknown to me. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion merely a matter between man and God. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. My message to you all is one of hope, courage, and confidence. Think well before you selecting your leader, and when you have selected him, follow him. But in case you find his policy detrimental to your interest, kick him out. Pakistan is not only mean freedom or independence, but the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us a precious gift and treasure, and which we hope others will share with us. You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosque or any other place worship in this state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed that has nothing to do with the business of the state. A Muslim is not born to give up. If he forced to be enslaved, he will become Babur. He will emerge as a Sultan Tipu. He can happily embrace Shahadat but will never accept slavery. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to the duty, there is nothing that you cannot achieve. The first duty of the government is to maintain law and order so that the life, property, and the religious beliefs of his subjects are fully protected by the state. Democracy is the blood of the Muslim who look upon complete equality of mankind and believe in fraternity, equality, and liberty. We follow the teaching of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We are member of the Brotherhood of Islam, in which all are equal and right, dignity, and the self-respect. Consequently, we have a special and very deep sense of unity.